The last time the Hoover Huskies made it to state in boys soccer, most of the players on their current team hadn't even started first grade. As Matt McCullock explains, the Huskies are ready to end that drought with one of the best scorers in the state leading the way.
Let me introduce you to the real Beto.
Umberto, then they just put the E in the B-E-R-T-O, so they just put the E in, Beto. So they've been calling me that since I was born, my dad.
You know, the Beto that's leading the Hoover Huskies back onto the Central Iowa soccer map.
He's a game changer.
But this Beto doesn't want your votes. Humberto Beto Flores just wants the ball.
My teammates are always finding a way to give me the ball. I'm just there to finish it in for them.
When you give him opportunities at goal, he's fairly lethal. I mean, if you give him 2 or 3 opportunities, chances are at least 1 or 2 of those is going to end up in the back of the net.
Which he has done plenty of. Beto's 23 goals this season ties him for first in Class 3A. But what he really wants is to break the Husky state tournament drought.
Our coach, Rubino, always tells us that it's been a while since a group of guys from Hoover won the state.
2008 was the last time they qualified for state. They had beaten Valley, the #1 team in Iowa, and a nationally recognized power. This time, if they can punch their ticket, they'll have to do the same and take down Waukee, this year's top team.
I mean, we've talked, and I've told them, hey, we're capable, but we need to come together. We need to find ways. We need to support one another.
I feel pretty great. You know, that's how you have to go in as the underdog. You just got to go into everything because you have nothing to lose, you know. Just got to play your way and put the pressure on the state champs from last year and just got to go out there.
In Des Moines, Matt McCullock, Local 5 Sports. We are Iowa.
And Hoover kicks off at 6:30 tonight against Sioux City West to try and advance to the sub-state finals. We'll have highlights of that game, of course, tonight at 10 on Local 5. So